Oh, I'm just gonna commit to taking apart this brick phone at this point. I don't really know what I'm doing. What's interesting is this part's the headphone jack. You don't get that on modern phones all that often. I mean, my phone, the one that's filming this right now, it actually does have a headphone jack. But not all modern phones do. Not that I use my headphone jack much. I usually use wireless headphones anyway, but it's at least nice to have it as an option. See any more screws? I don't see any more screws. Alright. This will just come out. But it feels weird just like tearing this apart. Doesn't seem like something you're supposed to do. I know they say that you're not allowed to fix your own phone. Oh, that's that's a front camera. Oh, that's funny. That's neat though. Yeah, it's too bad that the buttons are just totally dead at this point. I don't know if there's any chance. I don't think there is. I don't know if there's anyone I could take this to try to get this fixed. Or at least get the data off of it. No, that's really the important part. But I've looked up tutorials on how to take data off a brick phone and there's nothing. It seems like you just can't. Yeah, maybe this is just a failed project. Oh well.